here we'll look at finalizing the repair order. First, the technician can go through and complete the job, or the service advisor can also mark the job completed. If there's other process like a car wash or a QC, it would still be work in progress until you hit the complete work button at the bottom. Once you do that, you can adjust and add the odometer in there. You can also notify the customer. They will get an email or a text letting them know the car is finished, and click confirm. Now what you'll see on the job board is that ticket went from work in progress to completed. Now if we want to send the customer an invoice, and if you're signed up with our tech merchants, we can go through, click on share, share the invoice. Again, we can do it through an email or we can do it through a text message. Hit the send button. And then what they'll get on their end is they will look at this and look at the estimate, look at all the repairs that were done, and they can make a payment right there. But let's say if they're coming in the front door, we could add a discount to it, and then we can take a payment. We can take a credit card payment, a cash payment, check. And if we take the credit card, we can enter all the information on the card. We can pay and post. Once that is done, we go back to the job board. Now that ticket is off the completed board and put in history.
Thanks for watching. Please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up and to share it with the rest of your team. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel if you would like to see more helpful videos for auto repair shops. Have a wonderful day.